Hi, my name is Debbie Shagaric. I'm here with my husband, Ronnie, and I'd just like to talk a little bit about how wonderful the Bank on Yourself program has been for us. I discovered this purely by accident, listening to conservative talk radio daily. It was highly promoted on all of the stations I listened to, and I became quite intrigued by the concept, and especially after having my money in 401ks and seeing that the progress wasn't as good as I would like to be, and especially after so many people lost money in 2008, I decided I wanted to try something different. And I had quite a nice little cash sum built up into a life insurance policy and intended to use that. So I filled out the questionnaire, and Teresa-Kuhn, my advisor, called us, and we took it from there. We filled out a questionnaire about where we were at that point in our lives and what we wanted to accomplish, and, of course, how much capital we had to spend and what our debt situation was, what our asset situation was. Teresa takes all of that into account and prepares a special plan tailored for you. It's not the same plan for everyone. It's what works for you, and it's been just a wonderful blessing for us. We first used it to pay off a couple of vehicles. I paid off my car. We paid off my daughter's car and started paying back those loans. And then we had a wonderful opportunity in 2011 to purchase a vacation home on the beautiful island of Vieques, Puerto Rico. And we took out a Bank on Your Loan Self for a large down payment on that home, which without Bank on Yourself, we would not have been able to do that. Since then, we have, within the last 6 months, taken out another Bank on Yourself loan to purchase a home in a small community in Kansas where my husband is working as a project manager. He purchased a VA foreclosure that was a wonderful deal, and we just paid for it in full with a Bank on Yourself loan. So we have no mortgage payment on this home and have a nice little house to live in. So it's wonderful. Teresa has just been exceptionally good to work with. She's very patient. She answers questions. She has a wonderful staff. Leanne Durand, her right-hand man, is very competent and very accommodating and answers all of my silly questions that I've thought of to ask about Bank on Yourself. And it's just been a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful experience for us. I did have the pleasure of going to a meeting in Austin that Teresa hosted with Nelson Nash, and that was quite interesting. That gave us a lot of insight into the program, and it's just been a nice learning experience. There's a lot more to learn. I encourage everybody to research it. It's not for everyone, but I do encourage people to research it and ask questions and make it work, because it is a very viable plan if you don't want to get caught up in all of the ups and downs of the stock market. And I don't worry about what the Dow is doing. I really don't particularly care, because we don't have our money invested in the stock market anymore. So, as I said, it's been a wonderful experience, and we truly thank Teresa and the Bank on Yourself team for putting us where we are today.